What is the face value of 7 in 7431?
Seven.
What is the place value of 7 in 7431?
$7,000.
What is the face value of 5 in 3562?
$5.
What is the place value of 5 in 3562?
$500.
What is the face value of 9 in 8294?
$9.
What is the place value of 9 in 8294?
$90.
What is the face value of 2 in 6728?
$2.
What is the place value of 2 in 6728?
$20.
What is the place value of 5 in 1945?
$5.
What is the face value of 6 in 9606?
$6.
What is the place value of 6 in 9608?
$600.
What is the place value of 3 in 2038?
$30.
What is the place value of 8 in 8491?
$8,000.
What is the face value of 0 in 7015?
$0.
What is the place value of 0 in 7015?
$0.